Today we are going to make a very simple and quick recipe. Today we are making fish in stir-fry pasta. We have our pasta, spaghetti actually. We have our fish. This fish has been marinated already. Marinated with ginger, garlic, little powdered ginger, garlic. Then we have salt, Maggi. That's all. Then we have our vegetables, carrots, bell peppers, green and red, onions, spring onions, cabbage. Then this is a mashed tomato and pepper. I just mashed them together to have a paste, a kind of rough paste. Then we have our soy sauce and oyster sauce. I mixed this up with water so it will be more. Then we have our salt, seasoning, minced ginger and garlic. Then of course we have our vegetable oil. In this water I have salt and vegetable oil. So we'll put our pasta right away. I actually don't like breaking my pasta. As you can see, our pasta has sunk into the water and is boiling. While we have our pasta boiling, we need to stir fry our vegetables. Start with our oil. Once your oil is hot, our fish is frying. We are still making use of the same wok pan. Add your crushed ginger and garlic. Then and crushed tomato and pepper. Now we add the rest of the vegetables. Carrots. I love this one. The work is giving me. Please don't do this at home. Can you just put the sauce in it and just add our soy and oyster sauce. You allow this to simmer for like 3 minutes. And add the remaining vegetables. So let's bring in our stir-fried fish out. Wow! We already have it. Yummy! Now we're introducing our cooked pasta. I sieved it already, so we just pour into it and then we begin to turn in the wok. You can see that I've changed my spoon. I've changed it to a pasta spoon so that we can have a good mix. I can introduce another spoon into it, a wok spoon. So if you have this, you can go like this. Wow, yummy recipe. Oh Titi, I just wish you could taste from this now. This is beautiful. Alright, we have our food set. Our yummy fish in stir-fry pasta. This is actually yummy. You can see it's an easy recipe that you can make from the comfort of your home with things you can find in your pantry. You have pasta in your house and you just make something nice and your family will love it. They will enjoy with you. Please stay safe while you stay with yourself, with your friends and your loved ones. From here, it's a bye.